In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize form fields in HubSpot. Whether you're looking to tailor your forms to better suit your audience or to capture more specific information, customizing form fields can make a world of difference. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your HubSpot account. Having your login credentials ready will speed up this process. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot dashboard, which is your central hub for all things marketing, sales, and service. Next, you need to navigate to the Marketing tab. Hover over Marketing in the main navigation bar, which you'll find at the top of the page. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll need to click on Forms. This is the area where you can access and manage all the forms associated with your HubSpot account. Now that you're in the Forms section, you'll see a list of all your existing forms. These could include everything from contact forms to newsletters or survey forms. Browse through the list and select the specific form you want to customize. If your list is extensive, you can use the search bar to quickly find the form you're looking for. Once you've selected the form, you'll enter the Form Editor. This is where the magic happens. In the Form Editor section, you'll see all the individual fields that make up your form. Take your time to look through these and decide which field you want to customize. When you've decided, click on that specific form field to begin editing. Customization can vary depending on your needs. You might want to change the field label to be more descriptive, adjust placeholder text to guide users on what to input, or maybe even change the field type altogether. For instance, switching a text input to a drop-down can be helpful if you want to limit responses to a set of predefined options. Be thoughtful about what changes would provide the best user experience and the most valuable data for your needs. Once you've made the desired customizations, remember to check your work. It's good practice to preview your changes to ensure everything appears as intended. After you're satisfied with the adjustments, your final step is crucial. Go ahead and click Publish or Update, located in the top right corner of the screen. This action will apply your customizations to the live version of the form, making your changes visible to your audience. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your HubSpot form fields. With these steps, you can make sure your forms are perfectly tailored for your needs and ready to capture all the right information. Thanks for tuning in, and happy customizing.